Other functionalities. Mute a call. To mute a call, you must press the button with the microphone icon. You must press the button again to unmute. Dial an active call. On some occasions, in the middle of an active call, it will be required to dial one or more digits, such as when calling a telephone exchange and dialing an extension number. For this, you must press the button with the keyboard icon. Once the keyboard is displayed, you can either type the required number with the computer keyboard, or you can use the keyboard that displays Microsoft Teams on the screen. If you want the keyboard not continue showing, you will have to press the button again. Put a call on hold. To put a call on hold, press the button with the 3-point icon, then press the option Put Call on Hold. The screen will indicate that the call is on hold and how long it has been in that condition. If you wish to resume the call, you must press the Resume button. If you want to know about these and other functionalities or open a case, you can contact our customer service center. We will gladly assist you.